As I mentioned, I must apologize for the inconvenience that the public has been facing for the last, I believe, more than a decade of backlogs. However, one of the things that I explained last time and that will be coming up in training it was also mentioned in the governor's address regarding the building code, is that we will be holding an information session with architects, so that, because what happens is we get a lot of instances where permits are submitted with a lot of errors in it. So when we do the training session, we would then look at a way to certify architects. And when persons apply, we would have a list of certified architects. So once we receive an application from this architect that went through the training, it will then go on a different stack to be fast-tracked, so to speak, because there are less errors. What we face, the challenge that we face within VROMI with the evaluators, is that they are busy correcting the work of the architect and basically doing all the work of the architect with the multiple corrections that need to go out. And this definitely plays a major role in stagnating the process. So that is the idea and thinking that we're busy with as a ministry. And I'm 100% convinced that this will speed up the process.